Okay, this activity started at 7:30 a.m. Saturday morning on November 10th. And this is what it's been like every Saturday morning since Millennium started, and actually every morning during the week too, except for the days that we had the storm. Monday is Veterans Day. It's a federal holiday. Hopefully we're not subjected to this on Monday, and hopefully not on Thanksgiving either. Now, when you call the state troopers, they say there's no noise ordinance, there's nothing they can do about it. If you go down to town hall, they also say there's nothing they can do about it. That there are no ordinances that this company has to adhere to. I guess they're breaking some kind of rock. But I live about a quarter mile away and you can hear this noise. So there's a lot of people living around here. There's some people that live right here, right across the street, that have to hear this. So if these compressor stations do go in, and they are noisy, who do we get to talk to? Or do we have to just listen to this? There won't be this type of banging noise, but there will be noise. And there's no one you can call to stop it. No one. So I guess I'm about 100 yards away, maybe like a football field, maybe a little more. I'm on the road, right on Jacobs Road. They really don't have any regard for the people living in this community. And there's no laws in place to protect us. So you see around here, you can actually hear like a tapping, echoing noise against this house. So all these people along here have to listen to this. And then of course on the other side of where this company is working, there's houses up on that ridge, way back behind there. How are you?
You there on Sunday?
I hope not.